Looking for effective exercises to aid your weight loss journey? You're in the right place. We have compiled a list of 10 exercises that, when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can help you shed those extra pounds. First up, we have running or jogging. This exercise, when performed at a moderate to high intensity, can help burn calories and improve cardiovascular fitness. It's simple, effective, and requires no special equipment. Cycling comes up next. Whether you're pedaling a stationary bike indoors or cycling outdoors, it's an excellent way to engage your lower body and burn calories. Plus, it's a fun way to get around and explore your surroundings. Then we have swimming. This full-body workout is easy on the joints, making it suitable for people of various fitness levels. It's a refreshing way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Jumping rope is another effective cardio exercise. It can be done almost anywhere and doesn't require much equipment. Just grab a rope and start jumping. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. This type of workout can be very effective for burning calories and improving fitness. Next on the list is strength training. Building muscle through exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises can boost your metabolism and aid in long-term weight management. Yoga, while not a high-intensity workout, can improve flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. These benefits can contribute to overall weight loss and well-being. Pilates is another exercise that focuses on core strength and stability. It helps to tone muscles and improve posture, which can aid in weight loss. Hiking is a fantastic way to get outdoors, enjoy nature, and burn calories while exploring different terrains. It's a workout with a view. Lastly, we have dancing. Whether it's Zumba, salsa, or hip-hop, dancing is a fun way to get moving and burn calories. Plus, it's a great way to express yourself. Remember, the most effective weight loss plan combines regular exercise with a healthy, balanced diet. It's also crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are new to exercise. Tailor the intensity and duration of these exercises to your fitness level and goals. With these exercises, a little effort can go a long way in your weight loss journey, so get moving and start burning those calories.